Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. This is the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado EV. And in today's Vehicle Visionary video, I'm going to show you how to use the Multi-Flex Midgate. You might be familiar with the Multi-Flex tailgate. Let me show you something that this truck has that no other Chevrolet currently does. Okay, I want to say a special thanks to my friend Mike Thrash at Red River Chevrolet for manning the camera for me. Y'all come in and buy a multitude of vehicles from him. So let me show you how this works. So the very first thing you need to do is fold down these headrests. They're not armrests, are they? They're headrests. We're gonna fold those down first, and then there is a release that you actually, or a latch that you pull on right here. It is a release that will bring the seat forward. So let me get in here and do this other side real quick. This is how we're all gonna have to do it unless you have two people, right? But the other person is helping me film. So then the second thing you need to do, there is a release right here on the side. Gonna be one on each side. I'm gonna pull on that. That allows me to fold the seats down. Let me get this over here as well. See if I can do this one-handed. Boy, what an entertaining video. You get to see how I actually do these things. There we go, we got that down. Now, the most challenging part is getting the back glass out. Not to make it sound like it's difficult. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna reach up here on the top of this release. There's a button up there. You're going to push that and pull down. We'll do the same thing over here on this side. And you'll notice that the window kind of falls forward, but there's a stop right here. So what you're going to do is push that back, push the glass back, push the stop back, and be ready to hold the glass so it doesn't fall out. And then you're gonna pick that up out of here just like that. Now down in this section down here is where you're going to stow the glass. And if you don't get it in just the right place, you'll know. And then right here, this is what's gonna hold it in place. Push it back just like that, and that's going to fold or drop down and keep the glass stowed in place. Now, all you have to do at this point, there's a button right here. There's also one over there on the right-hand side. Either one will release everything. So I'm going to push that button. You'll hear it release, and then you just pull on this. Now, it's a little heavy, just so you know, not terribly bad, but there we go. That is the Multi-Flex Midgate, and you can see that it creates really what I would call the ultimate pass-through, because you greatly extended your cargo area, and that's how you do it. Now normally, obviously, if you have a tonneau cover, a cover like this, something like that, you can take that out and make it even easier. I just didn't want to go to the trouble to do that. So that is how you deal with it. Now, while Mike's here, let me show you how to put everything back in place, because if I don't, somebody's going to ask. So we just reverse the process. In fact, make sure you don't do what I just did there and pick up on the seat. We're gonna pick up on this area. We're gonna put that back in place. I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to pick up on the release right there. I'm going to put the glass back in place. And don't worry, once you do this a couple of times, it's not that difficult. So we put the latches back in place. It's gonna hold it in place. You'll hear them click into place right there. This is how easy this really is. And then all we do, put our seat backs up in place, our headrests in place, seat cushions, and we're done. I hope that's helpful to you. If it is, make sure to share it somewhere on social media. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.